Now, if you're wondering if you can apply the skills and strategies that you learn in Wealthy Affiliate to grow a network marketing business, the answer is yes. Wealthy Affiliate is teaching you the fundamentals of marketing online. And so you've got the pillars here. You learn how to find a niche, you learn how to actually create a website, turn that into a blog by adding content and driving traffic, and then you learn how to turn those clicks, that traffic, into cash. So, using these four pillars, you can pretty much start any kind of business online because every business needs eyeballs and every business needs traffic. If you're already successful as a network marketer and you have your network marketing business and you want to grow it even more, then the training in Wealthy Affiliate will definitely help you out and you can apply those skills to increase your income and grow your marketing business. Now, if you're not successful with your network marketing business, I would highly recommend trying out the training in Wealthy Affiliate to start your own niche blog because those are long term, those are a reliable, proven business model, and you could potentially make an unlimited amount of money. So, if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, there's no credit card required. You can use the link in the description. Now, if you're wondering what the tiers of membership are inside Wealthy Affiliate, they've got subscription plans and they do have a free plan. But if you want to know more about the other plans, you can click the video right here on your screen and I'll tell you all about them.